Do you want diagonally or?
No. Hold it up that way. Can you see me?
Yeah,
Can you see the whole machine?
Yeah, it's alive.
We're live?
There we are.
Oh, hang on. Oh, doesn't it? Is there anyone on yet?
One.
That'd be Chris. Alright guys, as you can see, we've already partly unpacked it. I sent a message out. It took us half an hour just to get the box off the outside of it. I only left to take the packing off it, so you can all have a better look. We'll get some close shots for you so you can all see it. So without further ado, I'll take the plastic off. Alright, there it is. The machine has a working area of 600mm by 1200mm, and it also has a flooding deck which it lubricates the metal as it's machining. If Brad liked to go over to the back corner over there, you can actually see the drain hole for the fluid when it comes out. Sorry about the camera, but it's made by a company in Singapore, so hopefully we'll be able to do our trailer rails a hell of a lot better than what we've been doing, which is made out of angle. Anyway, that's just paraphernalia. Now, as you can see, we haven't unpacked this yet, because we left it till tonight. That's just the USB cable and some software. Got some more end switches. As you can see, there's already one fitted. There is also a height detector for the tool for when we're about to machine. Even has a magnet, which is one good thing. 2 pumps, one for the spindle and one for the tool bit. Box of bits, machining tips. And we have a few clamps. And some big spanners. Sorry about the noise. There's a couple of collets. I've got to order more in for the different size collar that I have now to what I had before. USB stick, must have software. Allen keys. We still got to take it off its crate that it was shipped in, and there's obviously 4 feet for it to go on as well. Oh, another collar and a key to open it. I do have a friend coming out to help me with setting it up, and here's part of the control panel and the controlling all underneath here. At the other end, we've got door opens as well. That's a power plug and the hoses for the pump, and the drivers for the stepper motors and the power source. So it's all a bit of a learning curve for me as well. Different machine to what I've been using. So yeah. Other than that, we'll do some testing on it in the near coming days. And once we get some tests done, we'll put some photos up of those so you can all have a look. Bit of a short video. Sorry about that, but we didn't want you to sitting there watching while we're trying to get the thing out of the crate. It took us about half an hour just to get timber off it. So hopefully this is what we're going to be using to make our new trailer rails. We're going to try and do all style of trailers for Australia standards, flat tops, step decks, drop decks. We're hoping to do cattle crates, tippers, extendables. We're going to try and do a wide range, but they're all going to be on airbags anyway. All up, it was well over $5,000. That was with import duties as well, because it had to come in through by sea, not by air. Make something, well, can't at the moment, Chris. It's got no computer connected to it. I've got to get the computer done and then we're right. The same to you, Tony. It's a bit hard to make it when it's got to have a computer to it. It's only just come out of the... I picked it up on Tuesday, had it delivered this morning by truck so I could actually get it inside. So yeah guys, but trust me, we will be making something within the extremely near future. There is 2 customers, or 3 customers that have ordered trailers, have been waiting for this machine to turn up. They're all getting a free upgrade to a full set of gates, racks and tyre racks as well, because we've taken so long to get the trailers out. Unfortunately, that was out of my control. I do apologise for those 3 people, but you are all getting a free upgrade to a full set of gates. Also with the step deck, we're hoping to put aluminium ramps on it, which will also be machined out by this machine. Most of our stuff that we're going to be making out of metal will be done on this machine once we get it up and running properly. So without further ado guys, thanks for watching. I know it's only short, but we've still got a bit to do before we get this thing up and going. And once it's going, like I said, we'll get some stuff done and we'll show you the end products. And Brad's just going to run around for a little while for you while I be quiet to show you the different stuff on the machine and how much different it is compared to a different one you can get through eBay. I had to actually go through the company direct to get this one. So yeah, Brad's just going to show you around. Yes, that's right, Chris. There will be good things to come. With any good luck, hopefully within the extremely near future, once we get it all set. The head is sitting where it is, mainly because we haven't got it powered up to rise it. So it's sitting there ready to be used. I can use, and this one up to a 13mm cutting bit. The older machine, I think it maxed out at about 7mm. It might have been a bit more than that, I can't remember. So I've got bigger bits that I can put through this one to machine stuff a lot quicker. It's still got to be completely set up, but yes, all to come. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know it's only short, but you are quite welcome to share the video. Once we get some things done, we will be putting them up so you can actually see the end product once we have the machine up and running correctly. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.